But the thing that divides all countries is war. What are we fighting for? Why not say sorry and start with peace instead of destroying the world and turning it into pieces? So why not take away those things and replace them with integrity? The thing that divides our countries is war. What are we fighting for? Why not say sorry and start world peace instead of destroying the world and tearing it into pieces? The thing that causes all this is money and jealousy. So let's take away those things and replace them with integrity. Greedy rulers want more and more power, so let's feed them with our victory. This is our end. We will win to get the glory.